project for today is the seat adjuster on my '05 Subaru Outback is a little finicky. If you try and move the seat forward and backward, sometimes it takes a couple of tries before the seat will actually move. That's not an uncommon problem, so here's the replacement part. 6417 6AE10A, and what this is just the switch. So there's the part, kind of sits like this, forward, backwards, and then that's the seat back adjustment. So we'll go through the steps of replacing this guy on the, this is the driver's side, be the same process on the passenger side. We're having a beautiful late winter day today, so I'll be working outside. Here's the Subaru, here's the switch, and going forward, it'll work eventually, but it's not doing anything right now. You can see it just goes back and forward. So the switch is working, or it's getting power, but this isn't moving. So it's pretty simple actually to fix this. From what I understand, these need to be popped off, and they're just held on there with a little clip. There's no screw or anything, so I'll stick a trim tool underneath, pop those off, and then this is just popped on too, so that should pull off. So very simple process. I took my tool, I popped off the switches, or the switch heads. You can see the switch still isn't moving, but this one is. Okay, so I took my trim tool, stuffed it between the actual bracket that holds the seat trim on, and there's these green clips, 2 of them, and then back here there's a little cleat and little receiving cleat on the bracket. So you just rotate it up, and then you can access that switch. So the 2 screws, you can kind of fold this back, get in, get this cable harness out, and it's just a little tab that you press. There's the old one, in goes the new one. Looks good. Plug this in. See if the seat moves. Okay, to put it back in, that goes back in, screw the screws back in, and then everything just snaps back in. I've got this cool little ratcheting screwdriver, very short, and it lets me get in little tiny spaces, so I'm just using that to screw in the switch. Go. Alright, press back in, go down. Those 2 green snaps pop in. And these pop in. Seat moves back. 5-minute job.